The school bell rang its last chime for summer, and Baki, just 4, bounced with excitement. He dreamed of building forts and digging for treasure in the city park. Yemi, his thoughtful 8-year-old sister, was already making a list of books to read.
But I had a secret plan, a wonderful surprise about to unfold.
Mom gathered them in the living room, her smile bright as the summer sun.
Pack your bags, my little adventurers. We're going on a special trip.
Baki's eyes grew wide. Yemi looked up, curiosity sparked. Mom handed them each a honey cookie, Grandma's famous recipe, sweet with memories. The children rushed to pack, Baki with his toy dinosaur and red boots, Yemi with her journal and starry sweater. They didn't know where they were headed, but excitement wrapped them in a magical blanket. Soon, they'd be on their way to Grandma's village, a place woven from stories and dreams. The great summer surprise had officially begun. With bags packed and hearts full, the family headed to the bustling train station. Baki pressed his nose to the train window, watching the city blur away. Yemi opened her journal, ready to capture the journey.
Hey Yemi, why did the chicken sit on the train? To lay tracks.
Oh, Baki, let me read you about a dragon who likes to fly.
The train rocked gently, and soon Baki drifted to sleep, dreaming of adventure. When he woke, the world outside twinkled with lanterns and stars. Grandma waited on the platform, arms open wide, her dress swirling with West African patterns. She led them down a lantern-lit path, the village peaceful and magical. The air smelled sweet, and crickets sang a gentle song. They were finally at Grandma's, where every corner held a touch of magic. The adventure was just beginning. Throughout the journey, Mom was their anchor, her hand in Baki's, her arm around Yemi. She pointed out wonders to draw, made the new place feel welcoming, and melted away any fears.
I am here. You are safe. Everything is wonderful.
At Grandma's, Mom tucked Baki in with a quilt of moons and stars and set a lantern by Yemi's bed for nighttime reading. Her care was in every small action, a thread in the tapestry of love. She tied shoes, filled bellies, and chased away shadows. No matter where they went, Mom's love was their invisible shield. It gave them courage for whatever amazing things lay ahead. After a breakfast of pancakes and berries, Grandma led them to a special room. In the center sat an old carved box.
This box holds a secret. It holds an adventure.
With care, Grandma opened the lid, revealing a golden scarab amulet with a glowing blue stone.
This is the amulet of the traveler. It listens to the hearts of the curious and brave.
Yemi and Baki held the amulet together. The stone pulsed with warm light, and a gentle hum filled the room. The air shimmered, colors swirling like watercolors. Mom stood by, calm and encouraging. The amulet's light wrapped them in gold, and the room faded away. They felt as if floating on a soft, invisible river. The scent of cinnamon was replaced by warm sand and exotic spices. The magic amulet was answering their call. When the golden light faded, Leo and Maya stood under a brilliant blue sky. Ancient Egypt. Pyramids towered, the Nile sparkled, and music drifted on the breeze.
Wow, look at the size of those triangles.
Leo searched for beetles. Maya sketched the scene, and together they made a perfect team. A grand procession approached, a worried Queen Cleopatra at its head. Curious, Maya and Leo followed, overhearing the Queen's dilemma. A special guest was coming, and she needed a new, amazing dessert.
Maybe we can help. We know about yummy things.
Maya nodded. This was their chance to be part of history. Their teamwork and curiosity had led them to the heart of a royal problem. They were ready to find a solution. The adventure was about to get even sweeter. Egypt's magic was theirs to discover. Maya and Leo stepped out, catching Cleopatra's attention.
Who are you little travelers?
We're Maya and Leo, Your Majesty. We think we can help with your dessert.
Cleopatra, intrigued, listened as Baki suggested something cold and sweet, like creamy snow. Maya described mixing fruit and honey into snow or ice. Cleopatra's eyes lit up. S5 as Cleopatra. This is magnificent. We shall call it cream ice. Chefs mixed snow, cream, honey, and figs. Cleopatra tasted the first spoonful. Pure joy. She offered bowls to Maya and Leo. It was the most delicious thing they'd ever eaten. As thanks, Cleopatra gave them each a carved wooden cat. Their hearts swelled with pride. They'd helped a queen and tasted a magical new food. As they finished their cream ice, the amulet glowed again. Its magic was ready to take them home, bellies and hearts full. Their adventure was sweeter than they'd imagined. The world swirled, and Maya and Leo found themselves in Grandma's garden, the sun setting gently. Mom and Grandma smiled, relief and love in their eyes.
We met Cleopatra, and we invented ice cream.
Leo hugged Mom, Maya showed Grandma her wooden cat.
Every adventure leaves you with a treasure to remember the magic.
The garden felt like the safest place in the world. Mom laid out a picnic, warm bread, cheese, strawberries, and Grandma's honey cookies. The cookies glowed in the twilight, tasting like pure happiness. Lanterns lit the garden, making it an enchanted wonderland. The family shared stories and laughter under the baobab tree. In that moment, surrounded by love, the children felt a deep sense of peace and belonging. The grand adventure was wonderful, but coming home was even better. This magical trip taught Leo and Maya that adventure can be found anywhere, from ancient Egypt to Grandma's garden.
I brought my protective love, a warm blanket of safety.
I brought my energy and bravery.
I brought my curiosity.
And I, with my wisdom and magic box, welcomed you home with honey cookies.
Home isn't just a place. It's a feeling, a family, a memory. No matter how far you travel, the greatest adventure is being together. With family by your side, every place feels like coming home. Total word count, approximately 1,514.